I guess we cannot go to the beach because the weather is so bad. And raining. So I guess we just only stay in the road today. Hi guys, today is the second day we are in the Myrtle Beach, and now is what time now, Pepe? Now it's 1:20 in the afternoon, and we're still waiting for the pizza coming. And because today we have a storm on the beach, so we cannot go anywhere. We cannot go to the beach, guys, because the wave is so rough. So just wait and see what we are going to do now. We have a plan to go to the arcade so Jason can play there. Maybe a little bit after we eat the pizza. Okay guys, I'm done for dryer my hair. It's easy whenever you have the short hair, you can just wash it, dry it, done. Not more than 10 minutes, maybe only 5 minutes. No, what I have to do, because I'm not bringing too much my makeup case, so but I'm not forget to always use the lipid drop from the Courtney Skies. This one, guys, this is good stuff, and I will make a review too for the product for the next video. Just make like little bit, one drop like this. Oops, so like this. It feels so good. I have to use the molecular cream too from the Courtney Skies too. This is actually like moisturizer, guys. Okay, then I have my Guardian Mineral Tint. This one is sunscreen SPF 30. So I have to put all like this on my palm hand. It's not too much. Just put like one spot on the head, like this, in the forehead, one spot on the nose, both of the cheek, chin, and the rest in the neck, like this. Okay guys, now I have my press powder from the clinic. Just like do like this way. Okay. have my brow face sculpt from the Maybelline. This is a good one, guys. This one from the Maybelline. Okay. This is like this one. Like that. Just follow your eyebrow. And the other one is do like that way, the same one. I have like fragile mint that I always use every day from the Body Bath and World. It smells good. I love this. Yes, this is Japanese cherry blossom. And actually, I have my contact lens, guys. I have to use the contact lens, guys. Because I have my eyes is minus 125. Okay. Now after I use the contact lens, I can use the eyeshadow. It's almost finished for the Too Faced eyeshadow. This is good eyeshadow, but it's almost finished, guys. Okay, I need buy another one. I love this eyeshadow. They have a glitter. Then you can use the mascara from Clinique mascara. Okay, the last one, I can use my lipstick, the pink one, like my shirt. I have my earring. It's my favorite earring from Kate Spade. Like this, guys. Okay. Now we're ready to go to the arcade, and maybe I will buy the drone in a Best Buy or Walmart, so I can make a vlog tomorrow on the beach with the drones. Okay guys, what you think? Now we are ready to go. Okay.